Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So we've got another unboxing for today. So okay, and then we've got right here is another audio player. Okay, so yeah, so this one right here is also a branded one. Okay, so let's go. Gonna have to open this up and then okay, where's my okay? So let's go. Gonna have to unbox this. Okay, and then. uh, Okay, then oh, okay, got some box right over here. Right, so okay, okay, all right, here it goes. Ooh, nice. Okay, I love the, I love their box. Okay, so this is the Mechen or Mechen. Okay, I'm gonna have to. Okay, okay, so let's go. Gonna have to turn it on. Let's go. Gonna have to take this plastic off. Okay, so there goes. Ooh, nice. Okay. This is gonna be the open one. Okay, there you go. Okay. So I haven't been so this just arrived today. So just only a couple of days, right? So not 1 week. Okay, so in just only 3 days. Okay, I think 3 days. Okay, there you go. We've got the box. Okay, we've got the manual over here. Is the digital player. All right. So here's the digital. Oh, so big. Okay. Yeah, this is a big one. So I didn't right. So we've got some. Oh, we've got a silicone case. Okay. Oh, nice. Okay. And then we've got some earphones. Oh, I love the design of the earphones. Look at that. Okay. And then we've got also this one, Type C. And we've got a tempered glass over here, a screen protector, okay? And then we've got this MP3 player, all right? Ooh, oh, nice. This is bigger. This is bigger. This is a big one, right? Compared to my Ini Oasis G3. Okay, so I'm gonna have to step aside of this. I'm gonna have to put the screen cover after this video. Okay, so this is gonna be. I'm gonna have to put also the silicone case of the silicone back cover case. Okay, I'm gonna have to put also right the one so over here. Oh, nice. Okay, but before I think it's gonna have to check some right over here. Right, so gonna have to zoom in. Okay, okay, okay. There you go. So there you go. Yeah, we've got the. It's because I cannot. It's because my this room is too, we've got the back over here, Mechen digital player. So we've got the volume and okay, we've got the volume rocker and the power. And with this one, okay, I think it's a remote. Oh, okay, I think it's a microphone, right? So at the, like this one, this is nice. Okay, white. So the we've got the micro SD card slot. We've got the 3.5 millimeter headphone jack, USB-C charging port, and also the speaker. So you can also use the loudspeaker, right? So yes, I love the design. Okay, it's big. Okay, it is a bigger one. It is a big compared to my Ini Oasis, right? So let's go gonna get turn it on. Okay, let's go turn it on. If it's gonna be charged. Ooh, okay. Yeah, there you have it. Okay. Yes, okay. So, It's loading. Okay. There you go. Hi there. Okay. All right. So start. Oh, okay. Ooh, okay. I'm gonna have to check that one. Okay. Okay. Pacific Mountain. Okay, there you go. Mountain Standard Time. So gonna have to. Okay. So what day today? Okay, I forgot. So 29. Yeah. Okay. There you go. And then we get the time. So okay, it's already 12 in the morning. Okay, 12 in the noon. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna have to check it out. Okay. Oh, okay. Um, Except fully Android, right? So this is a fully Android MP3 player. We got some high B, we got some gallery. So gonna have to check that. Ooh, okay, yeah. So this is the touchscreen is so smooth, right? So we've got some clock, calendar, calculator, stand recorder, FM radio, Apple Music. Oh, look at an Apple Play Store. Okay, Spotify. Yeah, okay. So let's go gonna have to this is the high B, right? Okay, which in which you can right. So um okay, always allow. Okay, then video lossless audio format support, high B music, try it now. Okay, there you go. There's I don't have gonna have for my, it's because my other like that one. So okay, so gonna have to play store, so gonna have to log in my uh okay, so gonna have to go to the settings, right? So let's go check what is the version for this one. So battery, okay, we've got the Wi-Fi connect. Okay, that is why there's no I didn't for the Wi-Fi, right? So all right, here we go, already setting up my Play Store. Okay, and then let's go search some apps. Okay, so since I still don't have my uh, what is this called, SD card. Okay, I'm gonna have to that. Okay, so simple radio. This one right here is a really good also online streaming radio. All right, so and yes, also I'm gonna have to install the fader also. Okay, iHeart Radio. Okay, there you go. Yeah. So iHeart Radio. Okay, iHeart Radio. You can also play. You can also watch TikTok videos, right? Okay, in this one. So, but I don't want to use this on for social media. Yeah. So we've got some radio right over here. Right? They can look at that one, right? So and then apps and games. So Prime Video. Oh, okay. They got also, you can also right over here. We got, yeah, you can also do some social media for this one. It's because it says games, apps, and books. Okay, you can make it also an e-reader if you want to, right? But they for the for the small screen. I think that's gonna be what is a court of silver in flames. Okay, and then yeah, so this is a multi-digital player, right? So you can also listen some audiobooks is because okay, so let's go gonna have to go back to the menu. Then let's go check the okay, we got the simple radio, right? they also got an FM radio, but you have to you have to plug an antenna. You have to plug the headphones is because the air headphones uses as the antenna, right? So I think I'm gonna have to get a telescopic 3.5 millimeter antenna, right? So that gonna use that one in car, right? So okay, let's go check this simple radio. Okay, yeah, there you go. um just gonna have to use the free. Okay, so let's go, gonna have to check. Okay, okay, there you go. Okay, that they don't want to be below on the okay. So let's just gonna have to go to the KBPI. Okay, okay, there you go. This one right here is the Fort in Fort Collins. Okay, this one that I've been okay, what is this one? Okay, station not available. A station does not want to be part of simple radio. Oh, right. Okay. So I'm gonna have to choose our own FM radio in Philippines, right? So okay. All right, there you go. Okay, so gonna have to because there's an ad. Okay.
When we have it good as it gets. Sometimes the grass isn't greener.
Okay.
Soon as we find out,
Yeah,
we
not bad. Okay.
forget. Sometimes the fool doesn't know he's a fool. Yeah. Spiritual contemplation through music, the light.
Mm. Yeah, not bad.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, not bad. Loved it. Okay, I love it. So nice. So say okay. So I'm gonna have to. Okay. So yeah, this one right here. Okay, because this is too many. Okay. Like that one. So right, so we got the iHeart Radio also, and also I can customize the wallpaper if I want to, right? So yes, so far I really love it one. So this one is a really good, right? So we got some Amazon Music, Spotify. So yeah, I can listen to Spotify also. Yeah, and but I am not subscribing to the Spotify, so I just only I just have the free version, right? So there's an ad free. Okay, it's an ad free Spotify. Okay, right? So yeah, so because it is also connected to my Facebook, so I'm gonna have to use this one. Okay, there you go. Yeah. Mm. All right. So okay. So yeah, nice. Okay, and I really love this one also. Yeah. So one thing because the back button. Okay, there you go. That's it's why. Okay. So it is not a shortcut for the back button into the home screen, right? So you just have to press and press until you go back to the. So I think this will be gonna be in here for the display. Okay, so Advanced, we've got 1 minute of win activity, so I'm gonna have to choose that 5 minutes. Display size, which is okay, that will be good. Okay, and then security, we've got some if you want to lock it up. Okay, okay, and then gonna have to check. Okay, we're gonna have to check the system also. About the device, we've got also, right, okay, the Mechen H1 Pro, 8 cores of CPU. We've got the Android version of 9.0. Serial number, we've got also, yeah, look at that. So we got some date and time. Okay, why is this is still on 11:12? Okay, when also we've got right over here some shortcut. Yeah, okay, battery saver and what colors, night light, or you just can edit that one, right? So okay, accessibility. Yes, okay. That will be good for the unboxing and the first impression of the Mission H1 Pro. Alright, so okay, that's it for today's video, and also I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoy, and please don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that you will notify all of my upcoming future videos. Okay, stay tuned. It's because I'm giving you some of my good stuffs. Okay, so see you again on the next one.